Sama ka sa gala, treat mo naman. Contribution dito, abuloy doon. It's part of our culture. But sometimes, nakaka-drain din sa bulsa, di ba? It's okay to say no. Hindi dahil kuripot ka, but because you have goals, priorities. Hindi ka nagmamadamot. Nagpapakatotoo ka kung ano ang kaya mo. It's not about being stingy. It's about being wise. It's about knowing your limits and being okay with them. Remember, saying no today could mean saying yes to bigger dreams tomorrow. To that business idea, to that family vacation, to that peaceful retirement. So the next time someone asks, don't feel guilty. Just remember, you're not rejecting them. You're just choosing yourself, and that's perfectly okay. Sama ka sa gala, treat mo naman. Contribution dito, abuloy doon.